just wanted to do maybe a kind of a little DIY, not really a DIY, it's just a how-to, showing you how this kind of goes together. This is one of those sliding damper kits off of like eBay, full carbon fiber, has like this gold carbon. It's pretty nice, not bad, but they don't tell you how to put this together, so I thought I would make a little how-to, and yeah, just watch along as I put the second one together, because when they send it to you, it comes like this. So once you get your stuff in like this, you gotta put it together, and they don't give you any instructions, obviously, and not everyone is a very it's not very like straightforward, so hopefully this helps you. So once you get it all together, you're gonna end up pinching the spring right here. You're gonna pinch it together slightly, like that, and you're gonna hear that kind of pop, but a little bit deeper, and it's going to, the whole unit is going to settle in place, and then you're gonna be able to actuate it. So, and they send you two different springs. One's stiffer than the other, so I'm running the stiffer ones on both of the spring setups. So yeah, both are done. Gonna give these a go, and yeah, let you know maybe on a review on how they do. But hopefully this video helps someone. Catch you later.